I'ma head out then.
They going to be.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's your
Just 212.
How many?
Just 2 HDX12.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna redo the box. The lower I think should have been bigger. It ain't, but the bottom spec to just what they call for.
Yeah, just
and
barely.
then the top is a cube and a half more.
Yeah.
But I think I'm gonna add a cube up top and add 2 in the bottom.
Yeah, change it up a little bit.
I mean, for what they are and what I'm pushing, and I got the electrical.
I thought you had more in there. That's what I was thinking the whole time.
Yeah, it ain't just them 2 little 12s.
Soundqubed, right?
Yeah.
I ain't know they had white ones. I don't know why I thought they had only black ones. Did you paint those? You painted them? Did you paint them?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody sees them and they're like,
Yeah, that's what I was
they're like,
saying.
Soundqubed, ain't no way.
Ain't no
Yeah,
way.
they think they're CTs or something, and I was like, no, I did them.
Yeah, you did them yourself.
I did them the night they came in.
Same night.
Stuffed napkins in there, and I sat there and coated them all evening.
You didn't play. So anywhere they can find you on social media, man?
Just Michael Bell. I don't
be on there too much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just my personal page.
Okay, I'm sure somebody will know the bill when they see it. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.